Okay, so today we're gonna show you how to turn on and off an S4K2U-C UPS unit. So what we have here is a Sola S4K2U 700C. Okay, so we have up to 3 kVA. They all look the same. So this is the 120 volts model. Alright, so just showing you the basic controls. This is your front panel display. So you have the battery level indicator, your load level indicator, fault light, AC input, battery, inverter, and your a bypass indicator. Alright, so just to show you briefly the back of the unit. So you have a couple of 15 amp receptacles. This is your input plug, uh, 15 amp plug, and the fan, the uh, external battery connector, and you have the communication port. This one is the SNMP web card, which goes directly to your Intel slot. This is not shipped with the unit. Okay, so this will need to be purchased separately. Alright, so going back, we're gonna try to plug in your input plug to a 120 volts supply. Alright, so notice once you connect the input supply, you'll hear the fan turn on. Alright, and you see that some of the battery lights are lit in your input plug. Okay, so right now we're going to try to turn on the UPS. Okay, so we need to press this on button. Alright, okay, so it goes to a brief cycle, goes to bypass, and then transfer to inverter mode. Alright, so right now the UPS is on. So as you can see, the battery is charging. The load level indicator does not or only have one bar, because obviously we don't have anything or any load connected to the unit. So you have your input plug and the inverter lit. Okay, so right now the UPS is on. Okay, so to turn off the UPS, we just need the procedure is you try to turn the UPS to bypass first. Okay, so this is your bypass button. Press the button for 2 seconds. So you hear the beep, it transferred to bypass. Okay, so right now the UPS is on bypass. Press the button again for another 2 to 3 seconds. Alright, so okay, so that turns the UPS off. Okay, so you can remove the plug to totally turn off the fan of the UPS. Okay, so the other way to turn the UPS off, which is the fast way. Okay, let's just try to wait for the UPS to completely turn off. Okay, you see it takes a couple of seconds to completely turn off the fan. Alright, so let's just turn the UPS back on, plug in the unit, UPS kicks in. Let's try to turn it on by pressing the on button. Alright, goes to a cycle. Alright, so the UPS is on. Let's try to turn it off. Press the button, bypass button for 2 seconds. goes to bypass. So the other way to turn it off once the unit is on bypass is just remove the input plug. Right? So removing the input plug completely shut off the UPS. Right? So that ends the video. Thank you very much.